This is the final video to solve WordPress sites disappearing and collapsing overnight in WooCommerce. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve WordPress sites disappearing and collapsing overnight in WooCommerce, and I am going to share them with you. The first method addresses core file integrity. When WordPress or WooCommerce core files become corrupted, often due to interrupted updates or faulty plugin installations, the entire site can become unstable, leading to sudden disappearances or complete collapse. Verifying and restoring these core files ensures the fundamental structure of your site is sound. The second method focuses on database optimization and repair. The WooCommerce plugin relies heavily on the WordPress database to store product data, orders, and user information. If the database becomes bloated, fragmented, or contains corrupted entries, it can cause severe performance issues and site instability, manifesting as sudden outages. Repairing and optimizing the database resolves these underlying data structural problems. The third method involves checking and resolving plugin and theme conflicts. Incompatible plugins or themes are a common culprit for site instability. A conflict arises when two or more pieces of software try to modify the same data or functions in conflicting ways, leading to errors that crash the site. Isolating and deactivating conflicting elements restores harmonious operation. The fourth method tackles server resource limitations and configuration issues. Insufficient memory, poor server configuration, or hitting resource limits can cause WordPress and WooCommerce to crash under load, especially during peak traffic or intensive operations. Ensuring adequate server resources and correct configuration prevents these resource-based failures.